Hi guys, this is Peugeot Expert 215. I'm about to change the rear discs and pad, and I'll show you step by step how you can go about it. First thing you need to do, you need to off the handbrake. You need to take it down so you can actually spin the rear. After that, you need to open the calipers, two 13 bolts, one here, one here. Then you move the brake pads, because you can see the wheels. Railway is not really good, and we need to change the wheel and the brake pad because the car is actually making noise. The brakes are making noise. Brake pads off. So next, you can see brake pad not good due to the way behind the noise. You can see not really good. So next we need this T30 star and T60, the spanner. So T60, use this one, star, E60 for here. So you use this to slack it. You use this to slack it. This E60 spanner to slack it. When you finish slacking it, then you can use racket spanner 13. Once you racket spanner 13, put it inside. Then easy. You can see easy. It's off. Easy. You can see this is a hanger, caliper hanger. You can see. Just turn it slowly. Just one. Yeah, you can see it's off. So you just wire about the speed. A little bit of WD-40 on the bolt. WD-40. Okay, put on some grease around it. Grease. You can see, have some grease in it. Yeah, got new ones. Put the new ones in. Let me just check the bolt back. Yeah, you can see. Then your bolt, just that bolt, put it back, put in your hanger, put some grease in it, then push it inside. Yeah, new brake pads. Put them in. Then put this one in. Yeah, see. Okay. Put the same mode. It looks alright. Yeah, that's it. Please follow, like, and stuff for more, because I'll keep up holiday.